Agricultural Communication, in partnership with our FFA program, establishes the science and communications that are used in the agriculture industry, with applications being utilized on our in-campus farm.
Students are in charge of animal husbandry that includes grooming, feeding, and showing of animals at local fairs and festivals. Students in this program will learn the proper way of demonstrating knowledge in the agricultural space, speech writing, and showmanship.
The Food Preparation Program is a set of post-secondary adult vocational courses taught by a certified instructor through Orange Technical College on the University High School campus. Within our commercial kitchen that is located on our campus, students will learn the basic techniques of food preparation and catering skills to include presentation and logistical elements of catering events. Students in this program will have the ability to test the Serve Safe certification at the end of the third year.
Computer programming and artificial intelligence pathway consists of two major focuses. The Computer Programming and Science program begins with advanced placement coursework in conjunction with foundation and procedural programming, which focuses on the Python and Java programming languages respectively. That culminates into the Artificial Intelligence program. The AI Pathway program focuses on the big five ideas in AI: perception, representation and reasoning, machine learning, human-AI interaction, societal impacts of AI system and their components, problems and tools AI-enabled workers use to build models and systems that leverage data to make decisions, master your foundational skills required to become Power AI users.
University was the pioneer of this artificial intelligence program starting in 2022. The design pathway focuses on the creation of digital artists straight through the use of tutorials and certifications of the Adobe suite. Students throughout the 3-year program will have the ability to take certification tests in Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator and Adobe InDesign.
The Fine Arts curriculum at University High School consists of two categories. The first category is our three-dimensional platform through the use of our ceramics and AP 3D art courses. These courses support students in learning the correct techniques to create pottery and how to properly take care of their art pieces and using the kiln to create their art.
The secondary category is our two-dimensional program, which focuses on art through many 2D mediums such as painting with acrylics, oils, or water paints, and drawing through sketching, graphite, and other techniques.
Junior Reserve Officer Training Course, in partnership with the Marine Corps model, establishes civic duty and leadership education within the confines of service. The course enables students to develop positive attitudes, good citizenship, patriotism, and character building. It includes activities such as organized marching, physical training, and proper demonstration at ceremonial events. Students who are interested in enlisting in the military can gain additional promotions by completing at least 3 years of this program.
Journalism 1 is an academically rigorous elective where students will learn basic composition skills to develop story writing and editing skills within Adobe InDesign.
This expands further once they've joined specific yearbook or newspaper courses that compose of journalism honors classes. Students must take Journalism 1 in order to be a part of the yearbook or newspaper staff.
The Performing Arts program at University High School consists of 5 major focuses: theater, band, orchestra, vocal, and dance. All programs allow for specialization within their curriculum to enhance the ability of a student in that given field.
If a student wishes to focus on a highly academic and performance-based curriculum, we suggest looking into the Performing Fine Arts Magnet at University High School.
Veterinary Technician is a 3-year certification program where students will work with domestic animals. They will focus on grooming, boarding, and medicine services. They will have the ability to test in order to become a Certified Veterinary Assistant. At the end of the third year, students will be able to work as a veterinary assistant at any of the local or regional veterinary clinics or hospitals.
Enrollment in the practical nursing program requires students to complete 6 weeks of summer school each year. During their senior years, students will participate in clinicals, which will take place at local hospitals, long-term care facilities, and will utilize simulation and learning labs at Orange Technical College and University High School.
Students who take part in this program will have the ability to test to become a licensed practical nurse and sit for the licensing exam after graduation. This program has an emphasis on supporting students to take their LPN certification and continue to transfer to an RN program at a university.
Athletic training is a program over 2 years starting in their junior year. Students will learn the basic techniques of first aid and safety, along with care and prevention techniques for interacting with student athletes.
Students in this course will have the ability to take the first aid, CPR, and AED certification. Students are required to assist after school at the training center on practice and game days for fall, winter, and spring sports.
The wastewater management content includes applications of water resource management, application of safety procedures, record keeping and sampling, wetland management, reclamation treatment techniques, solid waste disposal, storm water management, hazardous material storage, government water technology regulations, filtrations, sedimentation, fluoridation process, and perform maintenance and inspections on equipment.
Digital video technology is a highly dynamic, 4-year program that engages students in all levels of video production and broadcasting. The class is offered at University High School through the dual enrollment program associated with Orange Technical College. In year 1, students learn the basics of video production, including script writing, shot planning, camera operation, on-set production skills, and post-production editing. In later years, students have the opportunity to become a certified video professional by passing industry standard tests in Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Photoshop. Additionally, year 2 through 4 DVT students receive the opportunity to participate in creating the school's announcement broadcasts and other forms of media like the one you are watching now.